Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show you the way how to create Instagram story with add yours features on Instagram in a music speak version. So you just need to open your Instagram application and make sure that you are signed in with your account, and make sure also that you already upgrade your Instagram into the newest versions. And now you just need to go click this plus button with the blue color to access your photo library, and you just need to pick which picture that you want to use for the best based picture for your story. And how to use the add yours in the music pic version, you just need to go click this symbols right here, and after that you'll see a music pic, so you just need to go click it. And now you can add your favorite musics on this by click this button. Now you just need to choose which musics that you really love these days. And after you're done picking the music that you want, you can adjust in the positions. And now you just need to simply click add to your story and confirm that you want to share it. So that's just done. So that's the way, guys, how to use add yours in the music pic versions on Instagram story. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.